Hello Facebook ads people, another short video with super updated information. Hit the like button if you like the content. It really helps me to continue producing content for you. And of course subscribe if you want to be super updated and hit the bell button. Now, I have seen in several accounts that I'm managing and also with people that I consult that we have a new creation method that it's actually being applied in several conversion campaigns and in some accounts. Always we know that when Facebook wants to do a change, it actually applies the change in some of the ad accounts, just a pool of them and see how people are reacting to them and then decides if they're going to move to all of the ad accounts. The message that I see is this. Creation method, and you will see it here. It says choose how you want to create your conversion campaign. Use the Advantage Plus campaign for a tailored setup or manually build your campaign. And it has two different options. You can see that it has the Advantage Plus option, and then it has also the manual control. I'm very happy that because in the Advanced Plus option, it's having actually pre-selected the option of having dynamic creative ads, which I love, and I think that they're the future of Facebook ads. I have a total video of how you can do them, and you can see it on the top of your screen. And apart from that, they're having some other options which I kind of disagree with because I have tested them, okay? Not because I just want to disagree, but because I have tested them. And then we have the manual control. So at least they give you the option of doing a manual control and actually put all the settings. When you hit on the manual control, you will be able to go back in the old way of doing ads with you choosing everything that you want. But the other one on the top, if you choose it, it has limited options for you on what kind of settings you can use actually, because all of the others are predefined because Facebook is recommending them. So it was very interesting playing a little bit with it and see how Facebook thinks. Of course, Facebook understands that the platform is becoming more and more advanced and complicated, so they will try to make this kind of plug and play, as we call ads, so that you can actually just click one or two or three buttons and do it the same way that the boost button for the post is working. But from my personal experience, when you do stuff that they are recommended from Facebook and nothing else, not a single setting, most of the times is not producing the results that you actually want. So a very interesting thing, the moment I saw it, I said I'm going to make a video to inform everybody about it. I'm having access to several accounts, so for me it's very easy to have access to these different options. I can tell you that I have seen more things in some other ad accounts. I'm lacking now a print screen to show you, but there are other also tests that Facebook is running with different messages in the creation method and everything. For sure they're trying different things and we are going to see how this is going to work. For now, if you have this option, try to control it with manual control and do the settings by watching my videos or watching the videos of other people, which is going to help you have the best possible results. Exciting news. I'm very happy when I see new stuff coming on the platform, but of course always we have to test and define what is good and what is bad. I'm going to see you in a future video.